Hello 8A, how are you? We are starting new chapter in organic compounds. There are 4 inorganic compounds: oxide, bases, acids, and salts. Today's lesson about oxides. After this lesson, you will know classification of oxides, also know properties and be able to write some chemical reactions of oxides. Before starting our lesson, please learn this terminology. Oxides, оксидтер, оксиды. Spread, таралған, распространенный. Sand, құм, песок. Pollution, ластану, загрязнение. Basic, негіздік, основной. Acidic, қышқылдық, кислотный. Amphoteric, екідайлы, амфотерный. Bases, негіздер, основания. Acids, қышқылдар, кислоты. Compounds of oxygen with other element are called oxides. In the oxides, only 2 kinds of elements. For example, sodium oxide. Here is one element is sodium and the second element is oxygen. Barium oxide. Also, one element is barium and the second element is oxygen. Dinitrogen pentaoxide. It's also only 2 kinds of elements. First of them is nitrogen and the second of them is oxygen. Sodium nitrate and some alcohols are not oxides. This compound contains 3 different elements: sodium, nitrogen, and oxygen. Here is also 3 different elements like carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Oxides are widely spread in nature. Silicon dioxide is the main component of sand and mineral quartz. Carbon dioxide is expelled by humans, animals, and plants during respiration. Carbon dioxide is known as dry ice and extinguishes fire. Oxides can be classified into 4 different groups: acidic, basic, amphoteric, and neutral. Acidic oxides react with water to form acids. Most of acidic oxides are oxides of nonmetals, like sodium dioxide, diphosphorus pentaoxide, nitrogen dioxide are examples of acidic oxides. They react with water to produce acids. For example, when sulfur dioxide reacting with water, it producing sulfurous acid. Diphosphorus pentaoxide is reacting with water and it will be produce phosphoric acid. Also, acidic oxides give neutralization reaction with bases. When carbon dioxide reacts with base, it produces salt and water. Carbon dioxide plus potassium hydroxide, it produces potassium carbonate plus water. Most metal oxides are basic oxides. Magnesium oxide, sodium oxide, calcium oxide are examples of basic oxide. Some basic oxides react with water to produce bases. When sodium oxide reacts with water, it produces sodium hydroxide. When calcium oxide reacting with water, it will be produced calcium hydroxide. Basic oxides is also give neutralization reaction with acids. Calcium oxide react with hydrochloric acid and they will produce calcium chloride plus water. Aluminium, zinc, tin, lead, chromium, and beryllium are amphoteric metals. Most oxides of these metals are also non-amphoteric. Here is examples of amphoteric oxides. Amphoteric oxide reacts with acids and bases. Aluminium oxide reacts with hydrochloric acid and it will be produced aluminium chloride and water, salt and water. When aluminium oxide reacts with base, sodium hydroxide, produce sodium aluminate and water. Neutral oxides are compounds which show nitric, basic, or acidic properties. They do not react with acid or bases. Examples of neutral oxide is these oxides. Conclusion. Before answering this question, please pause this video. For you is given some examples of oxides. Please classify these oxides into 4 groups. Check yourself, please. Acidic oxides is these oxides. Basic oxides is these oxides. And example of amphoteric oxide is this one. And examples of neutral oxide is these oxides. Thank you very much for watching this video.